Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's one of those days and I'm not in the mood for anything really, except ramen. Today we're gonna make 5-minute ramen because I'm contemplating not even eating, and that like never happens, but it's one of those days and I figure I don't have time for anything except ramen. It's legit only 5 ingredients. You're gonna need ramen, you need everything bagel mix, you're gonna need like a tablespoon of cilantro, soy sauce, 2 garlic cloves. That's all you need. Look, we're done. So you just heat the water, you add the ramen, you slice up the garlic cloves, you add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then sprinkle in the cilantro. Mix it all up. Just like that. It's not that complicated. We had a bad day and we had a really long commute. You know, that New York City commuter experience. Whew, really gets you. Just gonna get it out. I like to cook my ramen so that like all the water's gone because I'm a sociopath. I don't care. Then you just kerplunk it in like that. And then, oh, when am I gonna hire a cameraman? I don't know. What you gotta do to make it look fancy whew, and not get a ramen steam bath is you get some more cilantro, sprinkle it on top, a little bit more soy sauce because who doesn't want to die of sodium? I know I do. Okay, I lied. I kind of want some protein in my ramen. I don't just want regular 5-minute ramen. I want ramen with an egg on it. So I cooked up an egg right now because I'm Heidi. I don't know. Way to make this 5-minute ramen 6 minutes by frying up an egg, and I'm legit just gonna toss it on here and call it a day, guys. Now I'm ready to eat my ramen with a little bit more everything bagel mix. So that's my 5.5, 6 ingredients. Heidi learned how to do math. I may be out of college, but I'm not gonna stop acting like I'm in college because that would be boring. If it's one of those days, sometimes it's okay just to have a nice big bowl of soup. But yeah, happy cooking, happy meals. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you guys didn't know how to make ramen, that's embarrassing. But yeah, I'm sure you all know how to do this. I just thought I'd document my really long day / easy recipe. Oh my god, it's so good. Bye guys.